Morning, respected sir, and my dear fellow mates. Today, I, Shioshi Paul, am going to present to you on the topic Tetra Packs that is done by me and my partner Shashank Devangan. Tetra Pak. What is a Tetra Pak? The Tetra Pak carton is a multi-layered packaging made from paperboard, plastic, and aluminium. This combination provides strength, a barrier to light and oxygen, and a moisture-resistant seal, ensuring the contents remain safe and fresh. Tetra Pak's packaging solutions are widely used globally, contributing significantly to reducing food wastage and improving distribution efficiency. What is the composition of the Tetra Pak? The composition of a Tetra Pak is paperboard, polythene, and aluminium. Paperboard makes up for around 70 to 75% of the carton. It provides strength and stability, allowing the carton to maintain the shape. Polythene comprises about 20 to 25% of the carton. This plastic layer provides a moisture barrier, ensuring the juice doesn't seep into the paperboard and vice versa. Aluminium foil covers around 5% of the carton. This thin layer of aluminium protects the juice from light, oxygen, and external odors, thereby preserving its freshness and nutrients. These materials are layered together in a specific order: paperboard on the outside for structure, aluminium foil in the middle for barrier protection, and polythene on both the inside and the outside for sealing and waterproofing. Uses of Tetra Pak. Several juice brands use Tetra Pak cartons for packaging their products. These brands span across different regions and offer a variety of juice types, including 100% fruit juices, nectars, and fruit drinks. Such companies include Tropicana, which contains product like Tropicana 100% juice, Tropicana Essentials, Tropicana fruit blends. Minute Maid, owned by Coca-Cola. Indian brands using Tetra Pak are Real Fruit Juice, that includes products like Real Orange, Real Mixed Fruit, Real Pomegranate, and Real Active. Tropicana India, that includes products like Tropicana 100% in flavors orange and mixed fruit, Tropicana Delight, Tropicana Essentials. Paperboard, that includes products like Paperboard Amras, Paperboard Jamun, Kalakatta, etc. Be Natural by ITC, that includes products like Be Natural 100% pomegranate juice, Be Natural Mixed Fruit, Be Natural Guava Juice. Fruity by Parle Agro, which includes products like Fruity Mango Juice. Ma by Coca Cola India, which includes products like Ma Mango, Ma Lychee, Ma Orange. Raw materials used to make Tetra Pak: paperboard, which consists of 70 to 75%. The paperboard used in Tetra Pak cartons is typically made from virgin wood fibers sourced from sustainably managed forests. Function: provides the carton with its core structure and rigidity, acts as a printable surface for branding and information, offers physical strength to withstand handling, storage, and transportation. Environmental aspect: paperboard is renewable and biodegradable, and Tetra Pak sources it from FSC certified forests to ensure sustainability. Polythene consists of 20 to 25% of the material. The polythene used in Tetra Pak cartons is a type of plastic derived primarily from petroleum, though Tetra Pak is increasingly starting to incorporate bio-based polythene from renewable resources like sugarcane. Function: inner layer. The innermost layer of the polythene comes into direct contact with the juice, preventing it from soaking into the paperboard, ensuring the beverage remains uncontaminated. Middle layer. Another layer of polythene is applied between the paperboard and the aluminium foil to bond them together and provide a barrier to moisture. Outer layer. The outermost layer of polythene protects the carton from external moisture and provides a smooth printable surface. Environmental aspect: while traditional polythene is derived from fossil fuels, bio-based PE reduces carbon footprint and packaging. Both types are recyclable. Next, aluminium foil that covers around 5%. A very thin layer of aluminium, typically around 6.35 microns thick. Function: acts as an oxygen barrier, preventing oxygen, light, and external odors from entering the package and degrading the product. Preserves the juice's color, flavor, and nutritional content by protecting it from oxidation and UV light. Layering and structure, typical configuration. External layers, paperboard is coated on both sides with polythene to protect it from moisture and provide a surface for printing. Barrier layer, aluminum foil is sandwiched between layers of polythene and paperboard to create a strong barrier against light and oxygen. Internal layers, polythene layers, are used to seal the edges of the carton and making it leak proof and ensuring the beverage remains fresh. Environmental considerations, Tetra Pak cartons are designed to be recyclable. The layers of paperboard, polythene, and aluminium can be separated and recycled into different products, though the availability of recycling facilities may vary by region. Specialized variants, bio based packaging. Some new Tetra Pak cartons use bio based polymers derived from renewable sources like sugarcane, reducing the environmental impact. Advanced barrier technology. In some cartons, the aluminum foil may be replaced with other materials to enhance recyclability while still providing necessary protection. Sustainability efforts, recyclability. Tetra Pak cartons can be recycled by separating the paperboard, polythene, and aluminium. The paper can be repurposed into new paper products, and the plastic and aluminium can be recycled into composite materials. Carbon footprint, by using renewable materials and improving recycling rates, Tetra Pak aims to reduce the carbon footprints of its packaging solutions. Maaza, a popular mango drink brand owned by Coca-Cola Company, holds a significant position in the Indian market. Below are the key points regarding the market size and position, revenue and sales. Maaza has consistently been on the top selling mango beverages in India, with annual sales estimated to be over 2000 crore, around $250 million USD. The brand holds substantial share of the mango drink segment, often reported to be between 30 to 40% of the market, competing closely with other brands like Parle Agro's Fruity and PepsiCo's Slice. Market position, Maaza is a leader in the ready to drink mango juice segment in India. The brand's strong market presence is bolstered by Coca Cola's extensive distribution network, marketing efforts, and consistent product quality. Growth and expansion, the mango drink market has shown steady growth due to increasing consumer preference for fruit based beverages and the growing demand for ready to drink products. Competitors, Fruity, another major player in the mango drink market owned by Parle Agro, which also holds a significant market share. Slice, owned by PepsiCo. Slice is another key competitor in the mango drink segment. Global reach, while Maaza is primarily known for its dominance in the market, it is also available in various international markets, especially in regions with a large Indian diaspora, contributing to its overall market share. Future outlook, the market for fruit based beverages, including mango drinks like Maaza, is expected to continue growing, driven by increasing health awareness, urbanization, and rising disposable incomes in India. Coca Cola has plans for further expansion and Maaza's reach and possible new flavor introduction. This video was informational and it provided the necessary information on the topic Tetra Paks.